Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to download email contacts on iPhone in iOS 17. Let's start the video. So friends, as you can see right now, iCloud contacts are showing but the email contacts are not showing on my iPhone. Let's try to download contacts. First of all, open the settings app on your device. On the settings app, scroll down to find mail and tap it. Tap accounts. Here, click on the email account whose contacts you want to download to your iPhone. And then turn on contacts. Now go back to the home screen and open the phone app. Tap contacts. Here you can see that all Gmail contacts are showing right now.